In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add calendar feed to Apple Calendar. First, open the Calendar app on your iPhone or iPad. You can find this app on your home screen, usually represented by a white icon with a red outline of a calendar. Tapping on this app brings you into your calendar view where you can see all your events and appointments. This is the starting point for adding a new calendar feed. Ensuring you are in the right app is crucial as it sets the stage for the upcoming steps. Once you are in, you will be ready to access your calendar settings and make the necessary additions. Next, tap on the Calendars button located at the bottom of your screen. This button typically appears in the middle of the bottom navigation bar. When you tap it, you will see a list of all your current calendars. This view allows you to manage your calendars, including adding new ones. It's important to familiarize yourself with this section as it will help you understand what calendars you already have and where to add new subscriptions. Once you are in this section, you can proceed to the next step of adding the calendar feed. From there, tap on Add Calendar and then select Add Subscription Calendar. This option allows you to add external calendar feeds to your Apple Calendar. By choosing to add a subscription calendar, you ensure that your calendar updates itself automatically whenever the feed provider makes changes. This is important because it keeps your calendar up to date without requiring manual entries. After selecting this option, you will be prompted to enter the details of the calendar feed you wish to add. Now enter the calendar feed's web address, or ICS URL, into the designated field. Make sure to type it in accurately, as any mistakes will prevent the subscription from working. This URL is typically provided by the calendar service you are trying to subscribe to. Once you have entered the address correctly, you will be ready to proceed. Checking the URL for accuracy is a key step in ensuring that you receive all the relevant events from the feed. Next, tap on Find or Subscribe. This action will prompt your device to locate the calendar feed based on the URL you provided. The app will attempt to connect to the feed and retrieve the calendar information. If successful, you will see a confirmation that the calendar has been found. This step is crucial because it validates that the link you entered is active and that you are about to access the correct events. Choose a name, color, and iCloud as the account if you want it synced across your Apple devices. Naming your calendar helps you identify it easily in your list. Selecting a color will visually differentiate it from your other calendars. Syncing with iCloud ensures that you can access this calendar from any of your Apple devices. This is important for maintaining consistency across your devices so you never miss an event no matter where you are. Finally, tap Done or Add to complete the process. This step confirms your choices and adds the calendar feed to your Apple Calendar. Upon completion, you should see the new calendar appear in your list. This makes sure your changes are saved and that your calendar is now enriched with new events from the feed. Remember, subscribed calendar feeds are generally read-only. Events are updated by the feed provider. This means you won't be able to edit these events directly within your Apple Calendar. However, the automatic updates ensure that you always have the latest information available. Thank you for watching, and enjoy managing your calendars more effectively.